It was January 7th of 2022.
That's when Fatima Suarez says a
home.
complete stranger started terrorizing her family. Suarez's parents and two sisters live in South St. Louis.
My dad said that my little sister, that was 4 years old at that time, that she yelled at him like, "There's a lady in the backyard."
Suarez says the lady broke the glass door on her parents' basement door and then got inside their home.
Then he started hearing like the windows breaking and the dryer breaking.
She says the woman then banged on her family's dryer with a hammer.
He opened the door and she was starting to walk upstairs with the hammer, so he quickly locked the door. And then that's when she proceeded to the front door.
The family's Ring doorbell caught the woman on video. Fatima says the lurking intruder quickly pulled the hammer out of her purse, repeatedly banged on her mom and dad's front door, and shouted racially charged and offensive remarks at them.
You don't belong on American property, get out!
The family identifies as Mexican descent.
We don't know her from anywhere. She just randomly just started going to the house.
Why?
I feel like it's like a hate crime.
She says the same stranger has harassed her family at their home 5 times. Most recently, last Wednesday.
One time we approached her and she said that she was gonna kill my family. The police just keeps her for like 72 hours the most and then let her go.
Police confirm they are aware of the incidents. They say the investigations are ongoing and they are unable to comment any further. Meantime, Allison Hawk, a spokesperson for the St. Louis Circuit Attorney's Office, says last January, police did not classify the first incident as a serious, persistent offender. Hawk says officers should have because the suspect was armed with a hammer. More than a year later, police have applied for warrants and prosecutors have elevated the case. What's your biggest fear?
Her coming back.
And Suarez also tells me right now her relatives are still afraid to leave their home. Live downtown, Robert Townsend, 5 on your side.